ultimately, what was decided, what did y'all decide to do with Savannah?
That when we kind of came to a roadblock, I again asked Mr. Leckie to please consider, which is my ex-husband David, to please consider taking her, because he lived in Minnesota and he didn't have any children in his home. It was just him and his wife.
Okay.
And he again refused.
At some point, did you look at the defendant to house Savannah?
The defendant was brought up in conversation from David to me.
Had you maintained a relationship with her up to this point?
We had just had a recent falling out. It wasn't very long before this.
Okay. What was that falling out over?
Two different things. One thing being when I became romantically involved with Mr. Steves, I was in a happy place. And at the time, Rebecca and Mr. Pete had just had a recent breakup. And she felt that I was talking about my new relationship too much, and almost to the point of rubbing it in her face that I was happy and she wasn't, which I didn't understand. But the second reason was, and I don't remember ever seeing, there was a posting that Mr. Steves had put on Facebook, and Rebecca had made a comment that Savannah and Mr. Steves were Facebook friends, and that comment was inappropriate for a teenager to see.
Okay. Can you describe, did the defendant you or Mr. Leckie eventually reach out to the defendant to see if she would take in Savannah?
Mr. Leckie made the first contact and conversations with Rebecca.